Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. Today we're going to show you multiple charts that scare the F out of me. Charts that's predicting that the Bitcoin top might be in. Okay, in this video we're going to show you all these. The charts that the Moon Boys will never show you. The Moon Boys will never warn you. The Moon Boys will get you completely wrecked. Or you're probably already wrecked if you listen to Moon Boys. Anyway, look. This is the most important trend line in crypto. Okay, history pretty much connecting the cycle top from 2017, 2021, 2024, and 2025. Okay, you can see it tried to break above it multiple times here in July, in August, and in September. It failed. Even though Michael Saylor apparently buying non-stop, Meta Planet buying non-stop, all these DATs nonsense buying non-stop. The US apparently is buying. Trump is buying. Okay, all these people, millionaires are buying. Why the price is not above 120? Why the price cannot close above this trend line? Are you kidding me? That's a trap. It looks like a mega trap. It looks like a distribution happening on the 120K. So this is the first chart I want to show you. I will show you more chart. Just of a favor, we might be moving into a bear market soon. Make sure you get yourself a Bitunix account where you can short crypto, obviously long crypto as well. You have the tutorial on my description. Get yourself this exchange, the best exchange in the world. No KYC, no VPN. If you trade from the US, stop trading on Coinbase or all the Kraken or all the crypto.com rubbish. They take you all your money with fees. Start using Bitunix. Will change your life completely, man. It's free. Get yourself an account. Okay, let's continue. Now look, that's the Bitcoin trend line. Okay, watch it now. This is the 2-week chart. Okay, you can see this candle on the 2-week. Okay, you can see these topping tails here. See the topping tails here? Topping tail. Just like what we had here. Topping tail and topping tail. Okay, topping tails. It tells you might get a sell-off, okay? You might crash. Now, look at the monthly chart with the stochastic RSI. Okay, this is the first time ever you have triple bearish divergence on the monthly, on the Bitcoin chart. Lower high, lower high, lower high, okay? You can see here, that's a bearish divergence. High, higher high, higher high, high, lower high, okay? Momentum is going down. Price is going up. Marginally higher highs. Now, see in 2017 top, you had a little higher high, and that was your lower high, significant lower low, sorry, on the momentum. Lower high, sorry, on the momentum, yes. You had only regular bearish divergence, 2 points. Here you have triple bearish divergence, 3 points, okay? Oh boy, Bitcoin looking cooked. Now, if you look on the monthly, okay, watch the monthly close of October. Okay, this is a, look, it's already pierced 104 here on this chart. Again, let's take a cleaner chart here. Maybe we'll find some like Coinbase. Okay, you can see the monthly. You can see the monthly support here is at around 107. If it look at this close, okay, look at this. Look what forming here. Triple. You got triple topping tails on the monthly. Okay, this is major, man. If you look back, look at that. What's coming here? All these topping tails. Look at this. This is nasty. The 2021 top, you had 2 topping tails, small ones. Here, these are bigger. Here as well, you had 2 topping tails, small ones. 2017, you had 2 topping tail on the monthly. Here you had multiple, but that was like a little lower high. That wasn't the top. That was the top of the 2017 cycle. So we're now having triple. Watch the monthly close. If it closes like that or lower, in my opinion, Bitcoin is cooked and it's going to a bear market. That's my opinion. I might be completely wrong. This is not a financial advice. I'm just showing you the charts that warning you, that are scary. And you know, if Bitcoin trigger a bear market, your coins are going to zero. All the coins you hold in are going to zeros. They're already probably near zero, but they're gonna go another 99% down from the place they are now, man. Yes, you will see. You will see. Time will show you. Now, what else I want to show you? Okay, look, this is Bitcoin, okay? Bitcoin, we show you. Oh, by the way, I show you the confirmation that Bitcoin has stopped. a break below the 50-week MA. The 50-week MA is at around 104,000, 3,000. Okay, that was marking the bottoms on Bitcoin through all the cycle. It break below it, it is cooked, game over. Now look, Michael Saylor strategy already triggered a bear market. You can see here, that was the break below the 50-week on the MSTR chart. Okay, happened a couple of weeks ago. Okay, actually happened in September. That was the writing is on the wall, the weakness, and that's why Bitcoin is weak, because MSTR is triggering a bear market, man. MSTR, once it's gonna start collapsing and take that low, it's gonna be brutal for crypto, because Mr. Saylor will probably have to liquidate some of the Bitcoin positions to save his filthy stock, okay, which will get thrown out of the window because it's the biggest bubble in the human history. MSTR. It's a Ponzi. It's a house of cards that's ready to collapse. Yes, yes, yes. You heard it here in Crypto Mindset. We're gonna tell you the truth. We're not gonna hide or cherry coat your life. No, no, no. We are trade. We're here to trade crypto. This is our life. That's how we make money. We don't care if Bitcoin going down, Bitcoin going up. Bitcoin going down, we short the F out of this market. Now, this is MSTR warning sign. Now, look, S&P 500 and NASDAQ, okay? NASDAQ, they are still bullish. These charts are still very, very bullish. But again, there is a risk of a rising wedge here on the S&P and the NASDAQ. Okay, if these things start taking it down a bit in, Bitcoin is cooked, okay? Another chart you want to watch is the US dollar. US dollar monthly chart, okay? Look at this. This is the most important trend line for the US dollar, the DXY. That's 2010, okay? That's November 2010, big bounce on the dollar. This was the Bitcoin bear market in 2013, 2014. The dollar exploded from this trend line, bounce. Here, you had a big bounce from this trend line. What happened here? The 2022 bear market. Okay, that was the 2018 bear market. It didn't even came to this trend line, but I'm just showing you this significance of the trend line. Right now, the dollar is bouncing from here, okay, on the monthly picture, getting bullish crosses on the stochastic, crossing up, 2-week crossing up. Man, stochastic will come up more on the monthly. It will completely crash crypto. And all assets going to collapse if the dollar will go up, okay? If the dollar will go up. Keep in mind, you have risk of recession, financial crisis. You know, this market is, the bubble is bursting, sir. The bubble is bursting. I'll show you. Look at Nvidia, for example. You know, people don't look on this chart, but look at this nonsense, okay? No, sorry, that's MSTR. Look at Nvidia. Do you think it's healthy? This is the biggest bubble ever. This is bigger than the .com on 2000, man. This is nasty bubble, okay? Once Nvidia will start dumping, it's now at around the $200. Once it will start dumping, it will pull the entire stock market with it down. And it will dump, man. At some point, it will dump and it will collapse. No one will buy it, man. No one will buy it. You know, look at this topping tail here on the weekly. Again, there is high risk of a major stock market crash. Bitcoin looking heavy. Bitcoin looking pathetic. I'll show you also another bearish sign on Bitcoin is the triple top with the higher high, marginally higher highs here. That's your neckline of the range, okay? They're around the 107. You break the 107, it is over. In my opinion, again, might be, you know, it might be a prolonged topping process, you know, something like this, but we are nearing the end. In my opinion, we are nearing the end. And pay attention, guys. This is no joke, okay? This could be the cycle top for Bitcoin. Again, smash the like, subscribe to the channel, join our VIP link below. I want to show you a trade we took yesterday, man. Yesterday we had a double. Even though Bitcoin is such a rubbish now, look at this trade, man. H shared it in the membership October 13. Buy now. Look at H, man. Okay, H buy now. Price was 82 cents. Look at H, man. Look at H. Really. Look at H. That was the trade. I'll show you the regular chart. All right, you can see that was our trade here, our entry right here, man. Bam, 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 bam. 82 max gains 140%, man, and counting. We still have a little position, a runner with stops underneath the low here. So if it want to roll over, and even if it rolling over and hit our stops, we're still gonna be up on the remaining of the bag 70%, man. That's absolutely unreal. Obviously, we cash out some on the double and more. Now we have a runner, man. Really, this is the best time to join the membership. Really, stop getting yourself cooked in crypto. Crypto will cook you. This is not a market for newbies or amateurs or hodlers. All hodlers are going to lose everything. They're going to lose 99% of their wealth. Their wealth is going to disappear, dissipate completely in the next couple of months. You heard it here, and it's the truth. You're going to see it for yourself. You're going to see it in your own eyes. Do yourself a favor. Stop holding. Stop being a baboon. Join our VIP service. We're going to teach you everything you need to know. How to short, how to swing trade, how to long, how to buy dips. Anything you need. Join our VIP. If the market rolling over now, we're going to short it. We're already preparing for some shorts. We already have some shorts getting ready. And man, this is the best time to join our service. We believe there are going to be a lot of opportunities to the short side and also to the upside on the next Bitcoin bounce, what Bitcoin will bounce, whether it's going to bounce from 107 or from 100 or from 90. You're going to get a big bounce, like a dead cat bounce, which will probably be a very strong altcoin bull. You want to be positioned. You want to be in the right coins. You do not want to be holding cooked coins. They are all going to zeros. You need to be ready. You need to be in the right coins, and you need to be in the right community. We're going to keep you posted. We're going to back you up. We're going to take you to the next level. We're going to send your account higher when all the market participants are going to lose everything. Why? Because we are professional. We trade a trend. If the Bitcoin go down, if the Bitcoin trigger bear, we're going to short crypto. We love shorting crypto. Why? They're all Ponzi's. They're all Ponzi's that's ready to collapse. And you will see the big collapse is coming. Join our VIP. By the way, we're doing a webinar next Wednesday, a bootcamp, teach you how to trade the last quarter of the cycle and many more stuff. Check it out, read about it, scan the QR code, check out all the information on this amazing bootcamp coming on Wednesday. Book yourself a spot. You have a coupon code running on the screen here. See you in the next video. Cheers.